If you use social media, then I'm 100% sure you've come across videos like this at some point, or most likely, you see them on a daily basis. These kinds of videos get a massive amount of views if done correctly, and you've probably seen accounts gaining thousands, if not millions of followers just by clipping long videos into short versions like this. Even big YouTubers like Mr. Beast encourage video clipping because it's one of the fastest ways to gain views and followers. Now, as amazing as these videos look, they actually take a lot of time and effort to create, even if they are short clips. Let me tell you how. Let's say Joe Rogan drops a new podcast and it's hours long. First, you need to watch the entire podcast so you don't miss any important points. Then, you have to make a list of the moments that have the potential to go viral. After that, you need to download the video using some method, import it into a video editor, pinpoint the viral parts, trim them, color grade, edit, add captions. It's way too much hassle, right? But not anymore, because today I'm going to show you a tool where you can simply paste the link of the video and it will analyze everything and create short videos for you. Multiple clips properly edited with captions. Isn't that awesome? And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. All right, the tool we'll be using today is called HiClip. I've actually used this tool to create short clips for some of my other Faceless accounts, and trust me, it works really well. To get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, it has a very simple and straightforward interface. In the library section, you can see all the clips you've created. Now here's the best part. In the linked accounts section, you can directly connect your Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube account if you want, and you can post your videos directly from here. This is super neat and saves a lot of time. You can also see your video analytics from here, and you can even schedule your posts directly from this dashboard. All right, now let's create some videos with this tool and see how good it is. From here, the first thing you need to do is paste your video link. You can also upload your video manually if you prefer. For now, I'm going to paste this YouTube video link. Next, I'm turning on the auto edit option, which edits the clips automatically. Then I'll turn on the auto layout option. This feature detects how many characters are in the video and automatically adjusts the layout to make the video more appealing and less boring. As you can see here, pretty awesome, right? Now click on Get Clips, and it will start processing the video. After processing, it will analyze the video, understand the context, find the potentially viral moments, and then trim and edit everything to generate your final clips. This process may take a little time depending on your video length and settings, so just be patient. After all, it's doing everything for you. And once it's done, you can see that it has divided the long video into multiple short clips. And most importantly, as you can see, it is also given a score showing how likely each clip is to gain more views. It even ranked the top 3 clips based on the topics, and if you actually read the titles it generated automatically, you'll notice these aren't random clips. It genuinely analyzed the content, understood the context, selected the best moments, and ranked them. This is just outstanding, folks. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the finished clips with proper editing, formatting, and captions. Let's play one to test it.
It's not necessarily a doomsday countdown. It's a
out of control countdown.
Out of control, yeah. People call it the singularity, and that's probably a good way to think about it. It's a singularity. It's hard to predict, like a black hole. What happens past the event horizon?
Right. So once it's implemented, it's very different because it will be able to.
Once the genie's out of the bottle, what's going to happen?
And it will be able to improve itself.
Yes.
Wow. That was outstanding, right? You saw how nicely it resized the clips, cut to the person who's talking, added background blur, cropped the clips perfectly, and even added captions. Yeah, and this is really impressive. And the fact that I was able to do all of this with just one click is honestly blowing my mind. You guys really need to give this a try. Let's play one more format. Let's check this one.
Because I'm an alien.
That's what I've speculated.
Yes.
I'm on record saying this in the past. I wonder.
It's true.
I mean, if there was one, I was like, if there was like maybe an intelligent being that we created, you know, like some AI creature that's superior to people, maybe it would just hang around with us for a little while like you've been doing and then fix a bunch of shit.
You see how beautifully it cropped the clips and placed them in a single frame to make it look more interesting? In some shots, it added a solo frame of Elon or Rogan, and in others, it combined both of them while keeping the captions in the middle. That is genius. Now just imagine the kind of viral clips you'll be able to create with this, and most importantly, you'll be able to do it very, very fast. Now, if you want to download the video, you can do that from here. If you want to download it with captions, you can do that, or you can download it without captions. It's completely up to you. And once you connect your social media accounts with this tool, you can directly publish your videos from here as well, which is very, very convenient. So there you have it, folks, a super useful tool that lets you clip and edit videos and make them upload ready with just one click. Once you sign up, they'll also give you some free credits to create clips, but if you want to generate more clips, you can consider taking a subscription. As you can see, the prices are extremely reasonable, and I would highly recommend it. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.